The last question I think that is fair to ask any lawyer that you're seeking to hire on a personal injury matter is, where do you get your cases? Why do I ask that? Again, like the other three questions I've suggested, it's common sense. If 90% of your cases come from the yellow pages, or 90% of your cases come from a picture on a bus, or 90% of your cases come from a billboard, or 100% of your cases come from television ads, that tells you one thing, okay? If you get 90% of your cases from other lawyers or other satisfied clients, it's obvious that tells you something else. Because I'll tell you a secret. Lawyers, over, I don't know the exact percentage, but the vast majority of the cases in this law firm come from other lawyers. Why is that important? In Michigan, it is ethical for us to pay a percentage of our fee to the lawyer that sends you to us. Now, you don't have to come to us with a lawyer referral, but the fact is, and we're proud of this fact, the vast majority of our work comes from other lawyers. Some of them are lawyers I've had cases against, quite a few actually. So what does that tell you? That tells you that that lawyer that sends a client to us gets a percentage of our fee. They can send that client to any lawyer in the state of Michigan or outside the state of Michigan. There's only one reason why they would want to send a client to us, and that is because they figure they have the best chance of getting the most money by sending the client's case to us. Now, just to be sure you understand, that does not affect in any way your portion of the recovery. They get a percentage of our fee, which is a percentage of the settlement. And as you've seen on our website, we don't, you don't have to pay costs in advance. You don't pay us for our time. Our fee is strictly based on a percentage of the recovery, and it's the same as probably every other lawyer in the state, or pretty much it's 1/3. So out of our fee, we pay the lawyer that sends the case to us. And my point is simply this. If you have a choice of going to a lawyer whose vast majority of business comes from other lawyers, that should give you some sense of confidence that the people in the legal community, they know who the good lawyers are. Just like if you want a referral to a good doctor, you go to your family doctor. They know who the good, for example, orthopedic surgeons are. So I think that's a very fair question. Again, a common sense question to ask a lawyer who you're interviewing. Where do you get the majority of your cases? And we think a very common sense answer that should give you reassurance is, you know, a good percentage of our cases come from other lawyers. That's where a good percentage of our cases come from. We're very proud of that fact, and it should give you some confidence in this firm. Thank you.